right, guys, listen. I know that some people have really bad experience from other platforms, right? But in e-estate, we have had excellent experience so far. So the rest of mind that you are going to get when you join e-estate is what I am about to show you. Okay? Because when you are traditionally purchasing a property, okay? Remember, this is not tokenized property I'm talking about. I'm talking about traditional purchase of a property. If you want to get a mortgage, that's what we call it in the UK, right? You want to get a mortgage to purchase a house. They will need you to sign documentation outside the minimum deposit they want you to get, maybe 5% deposit or 10% deposit, or even 15 or 20%, depending on your financial circumstances and depending on your credit report. In the UK, we call it credit report, right? So after all of this, you will still need to sign a document. That document that you sign is what is legally binding you and the bank and the property. Okay, so that will give you rest of mind that you have actually purchased that property and you own the property, and these legal documents that you have signed are telling you that you are the rightful owner and the legal owner of that property. Now in e-estate, it is something similar, but in this instance we are purchasing fraction of the tokenized property. Okay, now when you purchase a fraction of it, instead of you having to purchase the whole property, you are purchasing just a fraction. You will be earning money from that fraction that you purchase, because all the properties have been tokenized, giving every single human being in e-estate access to purchase a fraction of that property and earn rental income from that property. Now, when you have purchased the property, you will sign a contract for you to have legal agreement with e-estate and of course the property as well, to say, yes, I agreed to the terms and conditions of this property and I have signed this agreement, legally binding myself and e-estate and the property, okay, to the amount of money you have used to purchase that property. So document that will make that possible for every single person in e-estate is what I am going to show you right now. I'm going to show you a sample of it. Now, in your back office, you will be able to find it. If you go to where it says buyer tab here and then click on my assets, when you click on my assets, you scroll down to the bottom, you will see the PDF of each of your properties that you have purchased that is legally binding for you, e-estate and the property. Okay, so now let me show you where to find a sample copy of that. So if you go to your info hub here, click on info hub and click on where it says knowledge base. When you click on knowledge base, this page is going to open. When this page opens, you need to navigate to where it says documents. At the sub tabs here, legality, presentation, tokenization, passport, and contracts. So you want to select contracts. When you select contract, you are going to have two contracts. Why are we having two contracts? Because one is for the agent contract and one is for the real estate token purchase contract, which is you as a buyer, not as an agent. Okay, so but first of all, let's quickly go through the buyer one, because I'm more interested in the buyer one than the agent one. It's not everybody in e-estate that is an agent. So for you purchasing a fraction of this property, you need to sign a legal purchase agreement. So if I click on this green section where it says view, this page will open. Is 5-page document. Okay, now here it says tokenized real estate purchase agreement, fractional ownership with income accrual structure. This document is what gives every single member of e-estate rest of mind. Okay, That is the reason I am making this video, rest of mind. So I need every one of you that have not read this document to go back and read it. Okay, I've shown you where to find it in your back office. Go to your buyer tab, and then on your buyer tab, you click my assets. When you click my assets, that page, if you scroll down, it will display all the properties you have purchased. Okay, now along the property, each of the property that you purchase, you will see the PDF document for that particular property. If you purchase multiple of that fractional real estate, you will see your multiple agreement for each of the purchases that you have done, okay, or you have made. So right here, it tells you everything, okay? It tells you all of this, income withdrawal procedure, confidentiality and security, all of this information. And at the bottom here, okay, at the bottom of this agreement, you will see your information here, signatures of the parties, the buyer, and tokenized real estate purchase details, and e-estate, okay, signed by Brandon Stevenson, the CEO. And then it will also display the address where e-estate is officially registered, okay, Republic of Panama, to show you all the address, and the CEO has already signed this. Everything is done electronically in the back office. You do not need to print this out, okay? You can download it after you have purchased your property and save it in your hard drive, okay, and have a copy of it. So this is for the buyer rest of mind agreement legal purchase, okay? You need to sign this. Every single person that has purchased property have a copy of this. Now let's go back to the knowledge base and select the agent employment contract. So if you click open this, again, is rest of mind for all the people that are agents. Okay, this is the contract that you signed when your application to become an agent was approved. Okay, once that application is approved, you will be able to sign this contract. Okay, this contract will tell you all the details, all the bonus structure, everything that you need to know and agree to. Sign the contract, and then boom, you are done with everything that you need to sign regarding your agent contract. There you go. So the CEO also have his signature here, and then you, the real estate agent, you will have your address, have your email, and blah blah blah. All the information is there for you. So these are the two major documents that gives every single person in e-estate rest of mind, guys. All right, so know now that as you are purchasing properties in e-estate, okay, fraction of it, remember, you are not purchasing the whole property, is the fraction that you are purchasing. Every single property you are purchasing has legal document that you have signed. Okay, the challenge there is for you to actually read the agreement that you have signed. I believe that 99.9% of the people purchasing properties in e-estate, they don't read that legal purchase agreement. They don't. But if you don't read it, maybe after watching this video, you should go and read it and have rest of mind. Okay, we earn on a daily basis, we withdraw on a daily basis. Now, our earning on daily basis is only 5 days a week, Mondays through Fridays. Okay, only 5 days. Saturdays and Sundays, there is no earning for us, but we are able to make our withdrawals that we have earned for the week. Okay, so you can withdraw on Saturday, you can withdraw on Sunday, you can even withdraw within the week as well if you wish to do so. And we are earning between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis, irrespective of the amount of money you have deposited. This is the earning range that you will be able to get in e-estate, okay, depending on the property you have purchased. Okay, the higher property you purchase, the more money you are going to, the more percentage you are going to be earning on a daily basis. So if you fancy passive income that has been consistent for more than 1 year now, e-estate has been consistent, then use the link below this video description to join E Estate, and I look forward to seeing you in my team. Thank you and God bless.